everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will learn words with CE. When C comes before E, it usually makes the sound S, S, S. That is, it makes the sound of S. S, S, S. Let's practice. Example 1. Sell, sell. Scent, scent. Face, face. Eyes, eyes. Rice, rice. Dance, dance. Nice, nice. And lastly, place, place, place. Now let's read them together. Sell, scent, face. Eyes, rice, dance, nice, place. Good job. Keep practicing these words every day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next lesson. Bye.